Hi and welcome back to Lavender Cocoa Kitchen. Well, I'm here today with my brother Fergus and I'm visiting him, so I'm here in his kitchen today. And I'm sure after all the excesses of Christmas and New Year, you probably want to start the new year with something healthy.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
So, I thought we would make a really healthy and refreshing drink.
Yeah, that sounds delightful.
Out of cucumber.
Yeah, they're my favourite vegetable.
Well, you're quite a gardener too, and I know you have a really good garden with lots of vegetables
I grow
and
cucumbers.
herbs. Yeah, so you grow cucumbers.
And what else do we need?
And we have mint.
Oh, I grow mint as well.
Oh wow. So we're actually going to get some fresh herbs and vegetables from Fergus's garden.
All right, let's go and do it. So this is a cucumber patch here, so we'll just see if we can find one. Oh, mind the spider webs. Yeah, there looks like it's going over a bit, but oh no, that looks like a beauty there. We'll have him.
Oh wow, that's a nice big one.
Alrighty. And this is the mint. We don't really have to grow mint, it just comes up by itself.
Oh wow, that's cool. Okay, we have the mint and the cucumber. Alright, so now we have our lovely fresh herbs and vegetables from Fergus's garden.
Look nice.
And as you probably know, cucumbers are a very healthy vegetable.
They're always nice.
Yeah, they're full of vitamins, minerals. So as you might know, cucumbers are a very healthy and delicious vegetable.
They're always very tasty.
Yeah, and they are full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. They're low in fat, low in calories, and low in carbs. A big bonus.
Especially at this time of year.
Yeah, and they're also got a very high water content. So they're very good for making drinks out of. You know, when the weather's hot, it will keep you hydrated throughout the day.
Very true.
And it's probably more interesting than just drinking water. So if you want something that's different from water, but it's really healthy, as I said.
Grow yourself a cucumber.
Yeah, yeah, grow them if you can, but if you can't, well, you can always buy them too. Cut up this cucumber. Probably about half is enough for one drink.
So do I peel it first?
Well, that's your choice. If you prefer to peel it, you can, but if not, it's actually beneficial not to peel it.
Oh, okay, but
because there's a lot of vitamins and stuff.
Does it make the
skin.
drink a bit bitter?
It could potentially.
Oh, okay. Well, I've got a sweet tooth, so I might peel it.
We are going to add a little maple syrup.
Oh, well, I've got a very sweet tooth, so I'll peel it.
Well, you can peel it if you like.
All righty.
Another thing, if you do leave it on with the skin, it might make the drink a little more green.
Oh, okay.
But we do have mint. To the blender, yeah.
Sweet.
The fresh mint, which smells really good. And obviously, fresh from the garden is the best if you can get it. So we'll just break off the leaves. We'll probably need about half a cup of mint leaves.
Right.
But I mean, obviously the proportions are more to your own taste and what you have available.
Yeah, this stuff grows like weeds, actually. It is.
Yeah, it's really good.
Really easy to grow.
It so easily.
You put some in and it'll be coming up for years afterwards.
Wow. So we're going to add some lemon.
Oh yeah?
And
Sounds
lemon
good.
is obviously full of vitamin C and very good for you, especially to boost your immune system.
Oh, okay,
if you haven't been feeling quite at your best after Christmas.
After a few late nights.
Yeah, so we'll juice some
just
lemons.
juice one.
Yeah, about half a cup of juice. If the lemons are hard, you can just roll them.
Oh, okay.
Like that on the bench.
Oh, that's nifty.
It softens them and helps them yield more juice.
Oh, okay, sweet.
That'll do. Okay, so we have juice of 2 lemons. It's not quite half a cup, but it's all right. You don't have to be like too precise on the measurements with this. It's just more what you have available. So I'll put that into the blender. And add about half a cup of water.
Oh, okay. This is water.
Yeah.
It's not vodka.
No.
No.
Now we're going to sweeten it with maple syrup.
Do you want a spoon?
No,
Oh,
get a
okay.
tablespoon. So I would say start with 1 tablespoon. Then after you've blended it and taste it, if you think it needs more, you can add more.
Oh, okay.
So I always say start with a lower amount of sweetener and add more later if you think it needs more, because sometimes you'll find it doesn't need more.
Oh, okay.
It does depend on your ingredients, how sweet or how bitter they are.
Oh, okay. Yep,
And
that
cucumbers
makes
vary
sense.
a lot, obviously.
Alrighty.
So now we're just going to blend everything, and then we're going to add our sparkling water
Oh, okay.
to make it a bit more of a special drink. Okay, smell that. It smells really nice.
Smells very minty.
Yeah. Well, the mint's obviously a stronger flavour than the cucumber, I
Alrighty.
guess. But now to this, we can, actually maybe better taste it first to see
Okay.
if it's sweet enough.
Yep.
So just see if that's sweet enough. Maybe I should taste it.
Yeah,
as well.
actually, I think it's a bit bitter, but
Yeah, let me try.
they might be bitter cucumbers.
Yeah, cucumbers vary.
Yeah.
I'll just see what I think. Well, to me that's perfect, but obviously I don't eat a lot of sugar. You probably eat more.
I eat a lot of sugar.
Yeah. Oh well, health-wise, you better cut down
Oh.
because that tastes good to me.
Yeah.
Hey, feel free to add more syrup if you would like more.
So not a spoonful of sugar.
Yeah, just add another tablespoon if you
Alrighty.
think that'll be better for you. They're in the extra syrup.
Alright. Magic.
Now taste it and see if it's alright.
Yeah, that's nice.
Is that better? Let me see
Yum.
now. Trying to see how much sweeter it is.
Yum ho.
Oh. A bit too sweet for me.
Alrighty. So
No,
more
it's just-
more for
no,
me then.
Good for you. We can just add it to a glass and add in some sparkling water.
Alright.
So, Fergus, how about you taste and see what you think?
Okay. That is very refreshing.
Is it? Yeah.
I like the mint in there, gives it a real kick.
Yeah, it would, definitely. Let me see what it's like. Yeah, like you said, it is very refreshing, especially with that kick of mint.
Yeah, well thanks for sharing that with me, Sue. Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year, and Happy New Year to all our viewers. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.